When you purchase a Bentley, you expect unparalleled craftsmanship, luxury, and performance. Every Bentley car and SUV is hand-built by trained craftspeople at a factory in Crewe, northwest England, from the engines and exteriors to the veneers and embroidery. Some parts may even be signed by the craftsperson who put them into place. If you have the means to purchase a Bentley, you can even visit the factory to hand-pick the materials that you'd like in your new car. This attention to detail and luxury comes with a hefty price tag. If you're interested in buying a 2022 Bentley, prepare to shell out between $260,000 to $350,000, or more. Still, that's pocket change compared to a 1932 Bentley that recently sold at auction, or the new Bentley Mulliner Bakular. Keep watching to learn about the 10 most expensive Bentleys ever. Bentley Mulliner Bakular. This $1.9 million and super exclusive two-seater is still in pre-production, and only 12 are being made. The Bakular draws its design from the EXP 100 GT concept and is built on the Bentley Continental GT platform. The body is made from carbon fiber and aluminum, and the extended rear haunches give the Bakular a 20mm wider track than a Continental GT. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 engine with 650 horsepower. The interior has been designed as a wraparound cockpit that flows from a steeply angled center console into the dashboard and door panels. A semi-enclosed luggage compartment behind the seats envelops them to create a true two-seater cabin. The Bentley rotating display features a rare riverwood veneer, which rotates to reveal a high-resolution touchscreen. Each exclusive owner will choose from rare paint options, exterior treatments, and design themes. 1999 Bentley Honeydeers Concept. Bentley unveiled the Honeydeers concept car at the 1999 Geneva Salon International de l'Auto. It has a Volkswagen 8.0-liter W16 engine adapted and modified by Bentley to generate 623 horsepower, with a top speed of 220 miles per hour. The Honeydeers, constructed out of aluminum and carbon fiber, has sleek lines, and you'd certainly notice the low, silver grille and small, round headlights coming at you. The interior features tan nubuck and Conley leather and an engine-turned aluminum dash. And in a move ahead of their time, Bentley replaced the vehicle's side view mirrors with rear view cameras mounted behind the front wheels. The name Honeydeers pays tribute to the famous Honeydeers Straight, part of the Circuit de la Sarthe, where Sir Tim Birkin, driving a Bentley Blower, surpassed Rudolf Caracciola, driving a Mercedes-Benz SSK, at 125 miles per hour for a world record. 1996 Bentley Rapier. The Bentley Continental GTZ has a top speed of 206 miles per hour, and the $4 million Honeydeers has a top speed of 220, so you may be surprised to learn that the $4.5 million 1996 Bentley Rapier topped at a mere 158 miles per hour. So why the jaw-dropping price? For one, only 6 were made. This coach-built vehicle, made on a special Sultan ZH chassis, was made for the Sultan of Brunei in 1996. It has a special number plate, JB, for Prince Geoffrey Bolkiah, brother to the Sultan. The car features a 6.75-liter V8 single Garrett turbocharger non-catalyst engine and a right-hand drive. 1930 Bentley Speed 6 Open Tourer. In 2004, Christie's auction house sold this 1930 Speed 6 Open Tourer dubbed Old No. 2 to a private buyer for £2.8 million, or $5.7 million. At the time, it was an auction record for a Bentley. This original Bentley Le Mans Works team car was made especially for participation in Le Mans and was driven by Dick Watney and Frank Clement, who finished in second place. Bentley built just 182 Speed 6s, and they won both the 1929 and 1930 Le Mans races. This particular Bentley eventually ended up in the U.S. as part of the Bill Lake collection, and in July 2004, Christie's auctioned the vehicle in France at the Le Mans Classic meeting. 1932 Bentley Blower. 8 years after the Christie's auction, a 1932 Bentley Blower blew away that record-setting Speed 6, making £4.5 million, or about $7.1 million at auction at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. The single-seat, 240 horsepower 4.5-liter supercharged blower was driven by British racer Sir Tim Birkin, an ex-fighter pilot. In 1929, Birkin commissioned the production of a series of 4.5-liter Bentleys powered by a supercharger developed by independent engineer Amherst Villiers. Founder W.O. Bentley opposed the idea, saying the supercharger would pervert the engine's design and corrupt its performance, but Birkin persuaded Bentley chairman Wolf Barnato to approve the project. In 1932, Birkin set a world record at the Brooklands track, reaching 138 miles per hour in the Bentley Blower. And, as of 2022, The $7.06 million auction price stands as the most expensive Bentley ever sold. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.